Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add files to a board in Monday.com. This is incredibly useful when you need to keep all your project documents, images, or resources organized directly alongside your tasks and workflows. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, you'll need to add a files column to your board. Go to your Monday.com board in your web browser. Once you're there, look to the right of your existing columns, and you'll see a plus button. Click on that plus button, and a drop-down menu will appear with various column types. You can add from this menu, click on Files. This action adds a dedicated Files column to your board, giving you a designated space to attach documents and files to each item on your board. Now that you have your Files column set up, let's upload a file from your computer. Click on the empty cell in the Files column on the row or item where you want to add your file. This opens up the File menu with several options for uploading. Click on From Computer and your system's file picker will open. Navigate through your folders and select the file you want to upload. Once you've found it, click Open in your file picker. Your file will now begin uploading to that specific item. Depending on the file size, this might take a moment, so just let the upload complete before moving on. If you prefer to attach a file from cloud storage instead of your local computer, Monday.com makes that easy too. Click the same cell in the Files column to open the File menu again. This time you'll notice options for cloud storage services. Click on From Google Drive or whichever cloud service you use from the list that's displayed. If this is your first time connecting that service, you may be prompted to sign in and grant Monday.com access to your files. Go ahead and complete that sign-in process if needed. Once you're connected, a cloud window will open showing your stored files. Select the file you want to attach and then click Select or Choose, depending on what button your cloud service displays. The file will then be attached to your item, just like if you'd uploaded it from your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully added files to your Monday.com board, whether from your computer or from cloud storage. This keeps all your important documents right where you need them, connected to the specific tasks and projects they relate to. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.